What's going on, everybody? Catboy here with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get back your deleted Instagram account. But as always, before we begin, please subscribe to my channel. Of course, smash that like button to help me reach out to more people with these tutorials, these useful videos. And of course, hit that bell icon to get all the latest information from me, all the uploads, lives, and everything. Alright, so I bet all of you have had this situation when you delete an account, but then you realize you actually want to get it back after a couple of weeks or a couple of days, and you don't know how to get it back or what to do. You probably would usually contact Instagram, like admins, to ask if you can get it back, but there's a far easier and quicker way to get it back than to contact the Instagram and then go through all that crap. So I'm going to try and show you today how to do it. So first of all, you gotta log out of your current account if you have any. Go to settings. Well, first of all, go to these three lines on top right corner. Tap on them, then go to the bottom right corner and tap settings, and then scroll to the bottom and tap logout, and confirm again. Tap logout again to confirm that you want to log out. If you're presented with this screen, just tap switch accounts, because that'll just ask you to log in to another account. It will not throw you into one of the accounts on the list here. So tap switch accounts and you'll land on this page. Now what you want to do is log into your account. I mean, you want to log out into the account that you want to recover. So now I haven't done this before, so there's no telling if it will work or what will happen next. But I think I have entered the correct password and the correct username, although I cannot 100% confirm that. But let's log out and see what I log in. What the? Incorrect username. Weird. Oh wait, I think I know where the problem. I think that should be forgotten pass. Let's click that. User not found. Okay, I guess that account doesn't exist with such username, so oh boy. Okay, maybe now it'll work. There's a space in between. Okay. Oops. Oh. Sorry about that, guys. It's kinda annoying here. Okay. Come on already. Okay. Maybe the dot will be here. I don't know, but incorrect username. I think. Oops. There's a space. No wonder it's incorrect. Okay, now it should be correct. I don't know. Oh, another incorrect username. You know what, guys? I'm gonna be pausing this video, and when I come back I should be able to get into the account. So see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, I think I have found the correct password and username to log in with into one of my accounts that deleted. But I don't know, maybe it won't let me in. At least not on the app. Maybe I should try to log in through browser or something. But let's try. It should work actually. And now it shows this this screen here, this message. Want to keep your account? You requested to delete Don't Stop. If you want to keep it, you have until August 18, 2021 to let us know. Otherwise, all your posts and information will be deleted. Learn more. And if you press this button, keep account, you'll be logged into your account, and well, you'll be able to use your account again. But I don't really want to keep this account. I just kind of wanted to walk you guys through the whole procedure. And if you click this back to login, you'll be taken back to this. So yeah. Well, that's about it, guys. To delete an account, well, you'll have to go to your settings from an account, the account that you want to delete. Then you go to Help Center and search up the delete my account article. There will be a link to a page where you can select your reasons for deleting and delete the account. But I covered that in another video that I have posted already. So if you want to know more about that, then check it out. So that's all from me today. Thanks for watching and stay safe, guys. Peace out.